Yeah. We're going to Target. We're going to like the really cool Target.
Wait, is it 2 stories?
Yes, it's 2 stories.
Yeah.
And we're just like, we're walking around. This is the last time of the summer that we're gonna be able to go to Chicago. So
Yeah.
come with us. So we're going to the beach. Greta refuses to swim because she can't swim. I'm a terrible swimmer, so like I really shouldn't keep swimming at the beach. But we're going to Ohio.
If the water's clear, then I'll know.
And it's currently like, I think green flag in Ohio, but Oak Street is yellow. I've just like, I'll put my feet in the water, but anything else, nope, not gonna risk it. But yeah, we're gonna go to Oak Street. So we're at the Ohio Street Beach.
She's being a bitch.
I'm not! We're gonna go to the bar after I record this to go get some water because it's like really hot and it's like not that cute. Say hi. Okay. And we just got like done at Oak Street Beach. It was actually really nice.
You mean Ohio?
Ohio, whatever.
Same thing.
Same thing. I'll see you when I get into the bathroom. We are on the way to go eat, and then we're gonna go shopping because we're in the shopping district in Chicago right now, but we're gonna go to McDonald's first, and yeah. Ever since we hang out, like we're literally at McDonald's.
Obviously.
Okay, now we're going to Water Tower. And then after that, we're gonna figure it out. But yeah. To Brandy, and I didn't get anything, but Ella got like a couple things of jewelry. Now we're on our way to the Union Station because like we're all tired. It's been a long day. Union Station, Starbucks, part 2.